Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of forging a katana. So all I've got to do now is forge out that, so it's like that. So yeah, I'm going to get to that in the forge and I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go weld this up and fix it because I've melted it in half. We fixed it. In the end, I had to do a couple welds on it. I did one there. It's not the cleanest, but it'll finish it up. And then there's one. Where is it? It's there. But when I clean it up at the end, I don't think it'll show. But yeah, it's the right length now. So now all we got to do is I've got to forge a kind of like a chamfer on the end to make it the right thickness. And then yeah, it'll be to sharpening. But that will be in part 3 because this is all I can do for today. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you haven't already seen part 1, it's on my channel, so please go check it out. But yeah, thanks for watching. Part 3 will be coming soon.